There you are, sitting across the table from your soon-to-be ex. The air is tense. You're trying to make the biggest financial decision of your divorce, what to do with the home. Each of you wants to protect your share, but every suggestion feels like a trap. You're not just selling a house, you're actually untangling a life. And here's the truth that most people don't realize. Selling your home the wrong way during a divorce can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. I've seen it happen way too many times. Number one, what if you list too low and lose equity? What if your agent takes sides or makes emotional decisions? What if deadlines get missed and, heaven forbid, the court steps in? Most real estate agents simply aren't equipped to deal with the legal, financial, and emotional weight of a divorce real estate. This is why I created the Divorce Home Sale Blueprint. It's a fair, neutral, step-by-step system designed for one thing, to protect both parties and take the drama out of the home sale. Number one, we have fair, conflict-free market analysis, customized timeline coordination, transparent net sheets for both parties, discreet showings and legal communications, vendor support for cleanouts and repairs if needed, and emotionally intelligent representation. This just isn't about selling a home. It's about giving you clarity, control, and peace of mind during one of the most hardest transitions of your life. And if you're facing the sale of your home during a divorce, don't go it alone. Let's get you a clear, fair path forward. Click the link below to download your free guide to selling a home in divorce, and then book your free confidential strategy call with me today. We'll talk soon.